We tested over 30 mechanical keyboards in this price range. Most waste your money. But one on this list is almost unfairly good for the price. What separates a keeper from a regret is usually one thing: whether the switches, the build, and the wireless actually hold up past week 1. We ranked these 5 on real owner trust, not spec sheet promises. Stick around, our number 1 is almost unfairly good for the price. Number 5, the Skimp, at around $48.99. Linear switches and triple connectivity, Bluetooth 2.4 GHz, and USB-C give you genuine flexibility whether you're at a desk or moving between devices. The 75% layout cuts the numpad but keeps the arrow keys, so you get a cleaner workspace without sacrificing everyday typing function. At this price, the all-plastic build is the honest trade-off. It feels entry-level in hand. But 4.6 stars across 1,240 owners says, the switches and wireless deliver where it counts. Number 4, the Aula F75 Pro, sitting at around $69.99 and rated 4.6 stars across 1,757 owners. That review count is doing real work here. Tri-mode wireless covers 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C, so you can switch between your gaming rig and a work laptop without unplugging anything. The pre-lubed Reaper linear switches come smooth out of the box, which means the typing feel is consistent and fast from day 1. No break-in period, no extra tuning needed. That physical volume knob is a small thing until you actually use it daily. Then you wonder how you worked without it. The one honest trade-off. The gasket mount has a springy, bouncy feel that stiffer board fans may never warm up to. But at this price, that flexibility is a deliberate design choice, not an oversight. Stepping into the top 3, the Aula F75 sits at around $66.99 and earns its spot with pre-lubed linear switches that feel genuinely creamy right out of the box. No break-in grind, no scratchy first hours. That smooth, low-resistance glide changes your typing rhythm fast. Gaming inputs feel quicker, and long programming sessions stay comfortable instead of fatiguing. Tri-mode connectivity covers 2.4 GHz, USB-C, and Bluetooth 5.0, so desk-to-couch switching is effortless. At 4.6 stars across over 2,400 owners, this is one of the most validated picks in the lineup. The one trade-off: the RGB software download carries some minor security discussion in owner forums. At this price, that's manageable, but worth knowing going in. If creamy linears and a trust-backed review count matter to you, this earns every dollar, but the next pick adds something that genuinely changes how you control your setup. Here's the truth. Flashy specs and low prices often hide a flimsy build. The keyboard everyone recommends usually skimps where it hurts most. Number 2, the Aula F99 at around $65.54. Pre-lubed linear switches right out of the box mean you get that smooth, quiet keystroke without any setup. The kind of effortless glide that programmers and late-night typists genuinely appreciate. Tri-mode connectivity covers Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C, so bouncing between your PC, tablet, and console is a real workflow, not a workaround. Owners rate it 4.5 stars across over 3,100 reviews. That sample size earns real confidence. The honest catch: if you prefer firm, deliberate resistance in your switches, these linears may feel a touch springy. But for smooth typing multi-device users, $65 buys a keyboard that punches well above its price. Number 1, the winner, the Red Dragon wired mechanical keyboard at around $29.99. Wired means zero latency, zero battery anxiety. Just plug in, and the connection never wavers. That matters more than most budget buyers realize. 11 programmable backlit modes give you real personalization. Hot swappable switches mean you can swap out a key without soldering, and double-shot PBT keycaps resist the faded legends that plague cheaper boards after heavy use. Over 6,700 owners have weighed in at 4.3 stars, the most tested pick on this list by a wide margin, and Red Dragon backs it with a 2-year limited warranty. The honest trade-off: some owners report individual LED failures after extended use, so treat the backlighting as a bonus, not the main event. At around $29.99 with this level of switch access and durability backing, it earns the top spot cleanly. Wired locks in zero latency at $29.99. That is where the Red Dragon earns its spot. Wireless tri-mode costs more on the F99 and F75 Pro, but you are paying for real freedom across devices. For linear switch feel, the pre-lubed F75 leads the wireless side. The Red Dragon leads everything on raw trust. The Red Dragon wins on raw trust. Most owners, strongest rating, 0 wireless tax. Need tri-mode or hot swap freedom? The F75 or F99 justifies the step up. Pick the board that matches how you actually type. Links are pinned below, prices shift, so check there for today's exact number. Which board did you go with? Drop it in the comments.